In action breeds doubts and fear. Action breeds confidence and courage. If you want to conquer fear, do not sit home and think about it. Go out and get busy. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Decide that you want it more than you are afraid of it. The key to change is to let go of fear. He who is not every day conquering some fear has not learned the secret of life. I am not afraid of storms, for I am learning how to sail my ship. Have no fear of perfection, you will never reach it. Don't let the fear of striking out hold you back. Fear is the main source of superstition and one of the main sources of cruelty. To conquer fear is the beginning of wisdom. Too many people are thinking of security instead of opportunity. They seem to be more afraid of life than death. Of all the liars in the world, sometimes the worst are our own fears. Curiosity will conquer fear, even more than bravery will. Ignorance is the parent of fear. Fear is like false evidence appearing real. Do the things you fear, and the death of fear is certain. Laughter is poison to fear. Fear is only as deep as the mind allows. Instead of worrying about what people say of you, why not spend time trying to accomplish something they will admire? One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. You can discover what your enemy fears most by observing the means he used to frighten you. Fear makes us feel our humanity. Fear defeats more people than any other thing in the world. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. Do the things you fear to do and keep on doing it. That is the quickest and surest way ever yet discovered to conquer fear. Fear is pain arising from the anticipation of evil. Keep your fears to yourself, but share your courage with others. You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop to look fear in the face. You must do the thing which you think you cannot do. Fear is a dark room where negatives develop. Never be afraid to try something new. Remember, amateurs build the ark, professionals build the Titanic. Find out what you are afraid of and go live there. Fears are stories we tell ourselves. Everything you want is on the other side of fear.